Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, fill us this day with the understanding of mind to be fully awake to our presence in our online class. Amen. Okay, children. So, last class we started with Unit 4 measurements. So, we shall just recall what all we studied in our last class. Okay. So, we started with measurements and we studied the conversions. Okay, so we saw all these conversions. So 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter equal to 1 gram, 10 gram is equal to 1 decagram, 10 decagram is equal to 1 hectogram, and 10 hectogram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, so all these we saw, and we saw the conversions also, converting from gram to kilogram or gram to milligram or anything, or converting milligram to gram or gram to milligram we saw. Okay, so while converting we should remember 2 points, that is, to convert upper scale to lower scale we will multiply, to convert lower scale to upper scale we will divide. Okay, these are the two things we have to remember. Okay, so here you can see one example, 2 kilogram 250 gram. So we are going to convert into gram. So the formula is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So here two units are there, one is kilogram, another one is gram. So we are going to convert kilogram to gram. This 250 is already in gram only, so we need not convert that. Okay, so 2 kilogram 250 gram is equal to 2 into 1000. Why into? We are converting kilogram to gram. So kilogram is a larger unit and gram is smaller unit. Okay, so to convert large to small we will multiply. Okay, 2 into 1000 plus 250 gram, 2000 plus 250. Okay, so it is 2250 gram. This is how we will do the conversion. Okay, so one more example, 3500 milligram. So this we are going to convert into gram, milligram to gram. So milligram is a smaller unit and gram is larger unit. So converting small to large we will divide. So the formula is 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So 3500 divided by 1000 is, if we divide 1000 threes are 3000, the remainder is 500. So 3 gram and 500 milligram. This is the conversion. So this is the important thing. While converting larger to smaller we will multiply, small to large we will divide. Okay, then we saw addition, subtraction. Okay, so how will you add? Normal addition only. So on the top you will write the units and you will start adding. Okay, so now we shall go to multiplication. Okay, multiply. Okay, so we'll see some example in doing multiplication. Okay, so first one is multiply 7 kilogram 400 gram into 3. Okay, so we are going to multiply by 3. So kilogram gram. So 7 400 multiply by 3. Okay, so 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 fours are 12. 2 1 carry. Okay, 3 sevens are 21 plus 1 22. So the answer is 22 kilogram and 200 grams. Okay, this is how we will do the conversion. Okay. Okay, we shall see one more example. Okay, 45 kilogram 800 gram into 6. So first we'll take and write the units, kilogram, gram. So 45 800 into 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 eights are 48. 8, 4 carry. Okay. 6 fives are 30 plus 5. Sorry, 30 plus 4, 34. 4, 3 carry. Okay. 6 fours are 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3, 27. So the answer is 274 kilogram and 800 gram. Okay, so this is how you will multiply. Okay. Okay, now we shall move on to next division. Okay, so division also simple normal division only we are going to divide. Okay, so we'll see one example in division. Okay, so divide 70 kilogram 350 gram, divide by 7. So we are going to divide by 7. Okay, so first take and write the number 70 and 350. Okay, 350 divide by 7. Okay, so 7 tables, 70 how many times? 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. Okay, so 70 minus 70 is 0. Okay, now take down this 3. So 3 is smaller than 7. So we cannot able to do the division. So what we are going to do? Again one more number we are going to take it down. So if you are going to take two numbers at a time, what you will do? You will add one 0 and you will take a number down. Okay? Yes? Yes. Next 7 tables 35 how many times? 5 times. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So 35 minus 35 is 0 and 1 0 is remaining. What you will do? The 0 you will add it to the quotient. Okay. So the answer is 10 kilogram and 50 grams. Okay, 50 grams. This is the answer. This is how you will do the division. Okay, so division is very easy. We'll do one more sum in division. Okay, 35 kilogram 650 gram divided by 5. Okay, so how will you divide? 35 650 divide by 5. So 5 tables 35 how many times? 35 is 5 7s are 35. Okay, minus, so 35 minus 35 0. We're going to take this down, number 6 down. So 1 times 5, if you subtract 1 will come. Take down this 5. 5 tables 15. 3 times 15 minus 0. 1 0 is remaining. What will happen? The 0 will go up. So the answer is 7 kilogram 130 grams. This is how you will do the division. Okay. I think now you all understand with multiplication and division. So try to do the division and multiplication with the tables on the side. Okay children? Yes. Okay, now we shall move on to the next topic, that is capacity. What is that? Capacity. What is that? Capacity. Okay. So capacity also it is a measuring unit only. So it is also having all the things that we learned for weight. Okay. So instead of millimeter, we will have milliliter. Centimeter there, yes, centiliter. There kiloliter, here kiloliter, there kilometer. Same thing what we studied for meter, it will also come in capacity also, but it will be in liters. Okay, so here 10 milliliter is equal to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliter is equal to 10 centiliter is equal to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliter equal to 1 liter. 10 liter is equal to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliter is equal to 1 hectoliter and 10 hectoliter is equal to 1 kiloliter. Here also milliliter is the smallest unit and kiloliter is the largest unit. So which is the smallest unit? Milliliter is the smallest unit and kiloliter is the largest unit. Okay, this is how we will do. Okay, everything will be, all the conversion, everything will be similar to the weight. Okay, so here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, half liter is 500 milliliter, 1 by 4 liter is 250 milliliter, and 3 by 4 liter is equal to 750 milliliter. Okay, so we shall learn some conversions now. Before that we shall do this exercise activity, page number 34, activity 2, page number 34, activity 2. So already few they have already done. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, then 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter, 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. Okay, then 4 liter 4000 milliliter, 5 liter 300 milliliter is 5300 milliliter, 6 liter is 6000 milliliter, 7 liter 7000 milliliter, 8 liter 400 milliliter is 8400 milliliter, 9 liter is 9000 milliliter, and 10 liter 2000 milliliter 200 milliliter is 10 liter and 200 milliliter. Okay, this is the simple conversion. Okay, now we'll do on few conversions. Okay, so convert into milliliter. So we are going to convert into milliliter. Okay, yes. So it's all same rules. Upper unit to lower unit multiply, lower unit to upper unit divide. Okay, so convert into milliliter. ml means milliliter. Okay, so first one, 2 liter 500 milliliter. So already 500 is in milliliter, only 2 liter we are going to convert. So formula is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 2 liter 500 milliliter is equal to 2 into 1000 plus 500 milliliter. Okay, so 2 into 1000 is 2000 plus 500 milliliter, that is 2500 milliliter. Okay, so this is how you will convert. Same, everything same like weight. Okay, so next one is 7 liter. So 7 liter we are going to convert to milliliter. So there is no milliliter, only liter is here. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then 7 liter is 7 into 1000, that is 7000 milliliter. 7000 milliliter. So this is how you will do the conversion. Okay, yes. Next one is convert into liter. Convert into liter. Okay, so we are going to convert it into liter. So first sum is 7000 milliliter. 7000 milliliter. So milliliter is a smaller unit and liter is larger unit. We are going to convert small to large. So division. Small to large means division. So the formula is what? 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay, here 7000 milliliter they have given. So 7000 divided by 1000. So 7000 if we divide by 1000, 7 times 7000, 0. Okay, so the answer is 7 liter. Okay, yes. So this is how we will do the conversion. Okay, so converting upper to lower multiplication, lower to upper division. Okay, so next one is addition, subtraction. Okay, so addition, we already know how to do the addition. Okay, so add, so add 6 liter 700 milliliter and 12 liter 800 milliliter. So we will write the unit first. Liter, milliliter, 6, 700 and here. Okay, this is how you will write. Okay, so start writing from the units place. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 8, 15. Okay, 1 carry. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here 1. So the answer is 19 liter and 500 milliliter. So this is how you will do the conversion, do the addition. Okay children, okay, we'll give some assignment. Convert, first one, convert into milliliter. So 5 liter 500 milliliter. Second one, 2 liter 300 milliliter. Okay, then add 4 liter 300 milliliter plus 6 liter 700 milliliter. Second one, 46 liter 300 milliliter plus 12 liter 550 milliliter. So do this addition and the conversion in your rough note and send me. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.